Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing good. In the series of ServiceNow admin course, we are now at ITSM applications. I hope CMDB and CSTM is clear to you now. So let's start with incident management, the very first application. So in this video, we are going to walk through a complete end-to-end incident management flow in ServiceNow. We will take one simple scenario and follow the incident creation to closure, one by one, step by step. So before moving forward, let's discuss what is an incident. So basically an incident is an unplanned failure of an IT service, or you can say a drop in its performance below the expected level that stop users from doing their normal work properly. For example, email service is down or extremely slow, or a business application does not open after login, or one of the key system becomes so slow that the user cannot complete their task. In all these situations, the IT service is not working as expected, so we treat them as incidents. Okay, so remember one thing, the objective of incident management is very clear, very simple, and that is we want to control the impact of the issue and restore the IT service back to normal and stable as soon as possible, as quickly as possible, so that the business operations can continue smoothly. We do not bother how we are making it stable or normal, whether it's a permanent fix or a temporary workaround, but we need to stabilize the service as soon as possible for continued business operations. Okay. So in this demo, we will not go deep into the theory. We will focus on the practical flow inside ServiceNow. And our scenario for this will be a sales user is not able to open a critical sales CRM application. For this situation, an incident will be raised in ServiceNow, and we will see how the incident logged, categorization, prioritization things, assigning to the right team, then finally the investigation and resolution, and finally the closure of that particular incident. So with this, let's start this amazing discussion in ServiceNow PDI. So let's continue our story. On a fine particular day, when the user tried to open the CRM application, either the page does not load at all, or after login, they are seeing a blank screen. This means the application is not behaving as it should normally, and the user is not able to continue their business work. So this is a classic example of an incident because an existing IT service is gone down and the user work is impacted. And this problem is not only with one user, multiple users who are working on this application are facing this issue. Okay, so they have to report the problem. To report the problem, the users have many ways to contact IT team. They might call service desk, they can send an email, or they can use self-service portal. So one of our user, which we are using in this particular demo, is now going to use self-service portal because it is the cleanest and most common way in ServiceNow. So in the screen you see this is my admin account. So now let me impersonate with some user so that we will have the same look and feel which we are expecting. Let's say Nadia. Impersonate to Nadia. This is the user who is working on that application. As soon as she got the issue, she now is reporting from the self-service portal. Click on self-service here. Under service catalog, we have many options. Click on this one. Can we help you? And here you see we have the option to create an incident. So she will create an incident from here. So now on the screen, you see very minimum fields because we don't want user to waste time on searching the fields. Okay, to get confused in the form, which is very long. That's why very simple form is given so that they will report the issue as soon as possible they face the issue because every minute, every second, there is a loss to business. Okay. Quick reporting will have a quick resolution. So that's why we have very minimum field here. So now the user select urgency. Urgency is high. And here she will just write down a simple description. And this description is this one, unable to open sales CRM application. In this description, you can add more details since from where the issue is happening, what exactly you are seeing on the screen, and if there is any. If you want, you can add certain kind of attachment as well, like screenshot of your screen or something like that. So once this is done, she will now click on create or submit button. So now this incident is created here with this caller. This is the very basic minimum fields you can see on the screen. This is number, open, urgency, she has selected number 1, okay, and the state is new here. We are going to see how the state changes here, okay, till the closure, till the resolution. You can see the activity is already logged. So whoever work on this particular incident, they have to provide comment, they have to provide work notes, and all these are being logged here, and anyone can see this so that people are aware what is happening to this incident. So with this, Nadia has reported the issue. Ideally, this particular ticket should be now in the queue of service decks. But as this is demo, this rule is not configured. So now from my side, I will do it. Okay, add it to the service decks. So now let's move to my account here and the impersonation. Whatever I'm doing here right now, it should be automated, but no problem because this is demo. Just think it like that. Let's change the view to default view. Now let me add the group here. This is service desk. Save it. Right now, it's still the state is new because this ticket is not yet assigned to anyone, right? So now what we will do, we will assign it to one of the user which is available in the service text. Let's say Beth is the one who is going to look at it. So now what happens here, service text team continuously looking into their queue, whether there is a new incident or not. So in the same way, these 3 agents will continuously look. Okay. Now let me go to Beth here and see how Beth get the work here. Impersonate to Beth. So now from here, let's go to my group work. So under my group work, you can see these are the SLAs here. These are the incidents. So this incident is INC 10027. So this is the one, right, which is waiting in this particular group's queue. So now let me open it. Let me means now Beth has opened it and assigned it to her. Now save it. Now you see, as soon as we saved it, state is changed to in progress. It means Beth is now started working on it. Now she will have a close look to this one. She will see that with respect to this application, there are n number of incidents which are open from other users as well. So she contacted the user, maybe Nadia, and get more information. And based on the information, she is now going to increase the priority of this one. She is now increasing the impact because impact is also high. As soon as impact is increased, you see the priority is now critical. Okay. So along with that, she also associate this particular incident with the configuration item because identifying a CI is very important so that we will have a impact analysis later. So now here for this particular application, we have this CI. So the same CI is attached here. Now Beth, update all these things in the work notes here because she has contacted the user and made some changes in the incident form. So now look at the comments here. She is informing everyone that she has analyzed the impact, contacted the user, and based on the feedback, she is now raising the priority because multiple incidents are there, right? And she has also added the configuration item here, and final or further investigation is now going on. So now she update this because keeping update is very important here. So from her side as well, she has done some primary investigation. So she is now routing the ticket to the network team because it seems some kind of network issue there. She is also not able to ping the application. So that's why she is now routing this to network team. So here she will update network support team. So now look at the work notes, not able to ping the application, hence referring it to network team for further investigation. Okay, so this is done. Now just she update it. Click on update. So now you see the incident is not in the queue of this person. It might be in the queue of this application support. So now let me reload it first and see who all users are there in network support. So here we have two users, Alan and Alisa. So now let's go to Alan here. Let's impersonate to Alan and see whether he has any work there or not. So this is Alan. Select impersonate. Now the ticket is in the queue of network team. Nobody has assigned to it yet. Again go to my group work. So you see this is the ticket waiting here in this queue. Let me open it. I mean Alan is opening it now. So now Alan assigned it to himself. Save it. So Alan is now working on this ticket. He is also a network engineer. It means he is a technician. He will see all the basic network things here. Okay, and try to find the root cause. You see everything is modified here, updated here in the activities. So now Alan begins the basic network checks here. From his side, he verified that the user has stable internet connection. He checked that the VPN is connecting properly with the user. He tests whether the sales application is reachable or not. He then tests whether the sales application URL is reachable from network and look at the firewall and proxy rules as well. So while investigation, Alan noticed something important in the network configuration. And he noticed that the request going to the sales CRM applications had been blocked by a specific firewall rule on the site or subnet. So this is the problem which is causing this particular inactivity. That's why the traffic is not even reaching the application. Okay. So the same thing Alan update in the work notes. So now this is the issue he found. He updated in the work notes and he's working to resolve it. One more thing he will do here. You see, there are a category and subcategory field. Okay. So based on that, he will update it because he now is perfectly sure that the category is network issue is there, and subcategory can be DNS here. Okay. So based on that, he has the authority to update the incident form with the correct information. So he did it and now he is going to update or save it. So as soon as he provided the update here, he is now on to the job, working tirelessly on that. And within 30 minutes, he is now able to update the network rules. And now he is going to ask the caller whether the caller is able to log in the application or not. So now he will write here @Nadia. So now he is asking Nadia to provide update and he will keep the ticket on hold. On hold reason, awaiting caller, right? So the same comment he will write here in the work note and same here so that the customer also see it. Because you know Nadia is not an ITL user, or maybe if she is not able to see all these things. She has very limited view. Okay, so now the ticket is on hold and awaiting caller response. So now let's move to the Nadia. Let's impersonate again. Impersonate to Nadia. Click on incident because she is a caller. She must see the incident here. Yes, this is the incident 27. Now she is saying that now she has this update here. Nadia, please check and let us know. Nadia is also receiving various notifications as soon as somebody updates the ticket. So from emails also she is being notified. She has to see whether the application is working or not. So now she has confirmed that the application is working. I tested it. So now she is providing the same comment here. I tested it and it is working properly as expected. Okay. And she is now update the ticket. So now even Nadia can resolve the ticket because she is now satisfied. She has the option to resolve here. So Nadia, after seeing it, she just clicked on resolve and the ticket is resolved. And you can see the state is now resolved here. So now you see, this is the complete life cycle of this incident. You can see each and every activity here. what happened, who has updated, who has assigned the ticket, and everything. Okay. Now let me go to my account here and reload this incident. End impersonation, reload. This is how the incident looks like. Look at this. Look at these, all the SLAs which are running based on the priority, based on things. Okay. So in one video, I will show you complete detail about all the incident SLAs so that you understand it properly. As we have resolved everything on time, there is no red here, right? You can see this is the affected CI, the same CRM application. At the bottom, you can see here, child incidents. So you can add child incidents here. As you know that there are multiple incidents with respect to this issue, right? So you can make this one as parent and you can add certain childs here, all those incidents. Right now I am adding randomly, but suppose these all are the incidents which are having the same issue. Click on save. So now we know that this incident is related to the same incidents as well, and both all these are having same issues. Okay. So after the incident is in resolved state, it means things are in place now. Application is working properly now, but we have to make sure it will work for next 5 to 10 days as well, right? We have to monitor it. That's why we are not closing it now. And in many systems, many organizations, incident will auto close after 5 or 7 days. If we see no update from anyone, no issue reoccurring. Okay. In case the issue reoccurs, you can click on reopen button. Mostly caller click on reopen button if the issue occur again, or if some other user report the issue, service tech see that this issue is already being reported in some another instance, they can also open this by clicking reopen. Okay. Along with that, you can see here related records. Right now this is a simple incident, but if this incident keeps on coming again and again, we will create a problem record, and in that one we will do complete investigation, find the root cause. Okay, so in that case we have to create a problem and associate that problem to this incident. In the same way, whatever the fix that problem propose, that will be done by using a change request. So the same change request comes here. So don't worry, for each of these things we have a separate video where I will explain every concept of these things. Okay, and resolution information you already know what I have told you. You can create a knowledge article with this as well by clicking this, in case you want to show it on the knowledge and people get aware of it. Okay, so you can do it like this. The stall fields here are self-explanatory. This is channel because we have logged the incident using self-service. That's why it is self-service. If you call, then it is a phone. If user do an email, then it is an email. If user do it by chat, like Teams chat or Zoom chats, whatever, it will be a chat. So based on how the incident is created, we select the channel here. Okay, so now let's see, it's been 7 days and there is no issue occurs here. So now let me close the incident. So the incident is permanently closed now. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is all about incident management. I hope this is pretty much clear to you. I tried my best to explain in a best practical manner. Even though if you have an issue, let me know in the comment section. I will come up with one more video on problem management soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.